Hey guys, it's Karla. I'm a neuroscience student at the Wilkes Honors College. Welcome back to my channel. This is actually the first week of classes, so it's been kind of interesting. As you can see, I'm back in my dorm. It's not in tip-top shape at the moment, but nonetheless. So there's this productivity tip that I wanted to share with you guys. I learned it from a podcast by this physician. His name is Peter Attia. I'll put his podcast in the description below. I think he's really helpful. He provides a lot of useful information. So for this productivity tip, you're gonna need 4 different colored flashcards, or just 4 flashcards. They don't have to be different colors. I prefer them to be different colors. Let me get my flashcards. So I don't know if you guys have ever heard of the idea of SMART goals. I heard it from like a business class that I took, but it's about making like measurable, specific goals. That's kind of what this flashcard tip is going to provide for you. If you guys have a to-do list, this is very much the same idea, but then we have it broken up into different time points. Short term, long term. This first flashcard is my today to-do list. This yellow one is what I use for my weekly to-do lists, 2 for kind of passion project ideas. These I want to get done in the next month, but then also you can have other different colored flashcards that you can have just that you want to get done in general. This first flashcard, as you can see here, so these are things that I want to complete today. I have readings to do for the classes that just started. I want to be a good scholar, so it's on my list. You're gonna write everything that you want to complete in this day on this list. This yellow one is what I use for my weekly to-do lists, everything I want to have done by Sunday. So I have this video that I want to post, I want to edit. I have a tennis video I want to post and edit, but I also have some course things I have to get like adjusted to. I have to read some papers for a lab, like things I want to do this week. This is to be completed for Sunday. So you can use them for like anything really. This is just a longer term. So these I want to get done in the next month, but then also you can have other different colored flashcards that you can have just that you want to get done in general, like when an idea pops up. So for me, I'm using this pink one for exercise, and this one is for YouTube ideas that I have. So after you have your time points decided and you have your tasks written down, after you complete them, you have to cross them off, because that's the whole point of a to-do list, right? The most satisfying part. As you can see, I have a whole total of 2 things crossed off this list, but that's okay because I was able to get more things off my other lists, so I'm proud of that. The neat thing about this is that when you're almost done with one of your tasks, you can put half of an X on it, and then when you go back and you say, oh wow, I'm almost done with that, maybe I can finish that right now, and then you get the full X, and that's kind of like an achievement. That's the victory for the day. You got the full X on your tasks, and I mean, it's really cool. It's very satisfying to have them all completed. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that like button if you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below and let me know what you thought about this video. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.